Push, baby, push.
Almost there.
I can see it.
Breathe.
It's stuck. Nurse, come.
It's okay.
Oh, don't touch me! Doctor.
Great. Everything's gonna be fine.
Doctor? I'm getting bizarre readings on the monitor.
I'm getting some pretty bizarre readings between her legs.
Oh, God! Don't take it out! Jesus. It's looking right at me. Oh, you're not the father!
Oh, Lord have mercy